Hello guys, welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. In this video, I will explain about how to get our password of MP Task profile. If you know your user ID but you are forget your password, so how to get it? Let me explain. So what you have to do first you have to open your Chrome browser or Google browser, and you have to search here on MP task. You have to enter an MP task and you will redirect it on this page, and you will see this first link, MP task portal. You have to click on this link and you will redirect it on this page. Okay, login page. So here you can see forget password option and forget user ID. So you know your user ID, so you have to know in your password only. So you have to click on this link, forget password. On clicking on this, you will redirected on this page. Here you have to enter your profile ID, okay, or user ID we can say. So let me enter it, and you have to click on this next button. On clicking on the next button on register mobile number, you will get an OTP. So here you have to click yes, and after that you have to enter the OTP here and submitted. If you don't get the OTP, so you have to click on this resend OTP button. On filling the correct OTP and on submit, you will get this page. That's a new password, or you have to enter again your password, new password. So you can create your new password. Let me create, and always remember you have to enter a first letter capital and other letters small, and your password like that, your name at the rate 123, or a roll number or a city name like that, and at the rate 123 and so on, like. Okay, so let me create my password. After filling that password, you have to re-enter that password here. And what you have to do next you have to click on this submit button, and you will see the password updated successfully. So click on OK, and you will redirect it on that page. So what you have to do, you can enter your username and then password. You have to enter your capture code, and after that you can click on login and you will see a profile. So this is all about to how to create a new password, or how to get a password of our profile. So if you like that video, please subscribe the channel, and thank you.